Hey students, unfortunately I will be staying home today, so I wanted to make sure I left you a video explaining what is expected of you for class today. Now, last week we began our final exam and most of you worked through your design thinking as well as your action plan. If you are not done with your action plan, then today I want you working on that as well as the product proposal. Both of these are posted to the classroom. In the action plan, you're refining your problem statement, and in your product proposal, you're telling me what you're creating, why you're creating it, and giving me some additional background on that. So again, here is this action plan. Most of you, I said, get through the front page, and you did on Friday. Get through the back page here. Helping forces and hindering forces. So what forces will help you accomplish this solution? Which may get in the way and prevent you from solving this problem. For this right here, I want us to think about organizations and groups that can help us maximize our solutions in solving this problem. So that could be World Food Organizations, if you're looking at it from a global perspective, and or local food banks or food pantries, but some additional research might need to be done here. These are a little bit repetitive from your design thinking, but I want more solidified answers here. And then finally, give me your solution that you've chosen. After this, please move on to your product proposal. So, directions. For this assignment, you and your team are designing and explaining the product solution you have decided to develop in solving the problem you're addressing regarding hunger and food insecurity. Answer the portions in detail and appropriately. Remember to utilize the example on the classroom from Mr. Stein. But again, I want detail here. Tell me your target organization or company. Why is your product necessary and unique? How is it innovative? Who is your audience? Is it specific age, specific country, a specific group of people? Really narrow it down. What's the name? And then give me some background. After you've done doing the product proposal and your action plan, it will be time to move on to presenting your product solution. So this is your final step of your final exam. This is what we'll be watching and presenting on block day, which could either be Thursday or Friday for you this week. So now that you have determined your problem, develop a sustainable solution in the form of a tangible product, determine how you will now present this to a wider audience. So I have some things that I would include, but many of you that I've talked to maybe are creating a website, a music video, a poster, creating an application, which would be hypothetical that you could use on a phone. You are forming your own organization, an infographic, a campaign, an advertisement, lots of different options. If you've created an Instagram or a Twitter, how are you going to present that information to the class now? These are some great applications down here to present this information to us on Friday or Thursday. So please read the directions and please put everything together through one of these devices. I want to also remind you to complete your daily log. Day 1 was block day of last week, day 2 was Friday, day 3 would be today, Monday. This will be for our additional block day which we'll have this week. I will be posting everything to the classroom and encouraging the sub to have you watch this video. Please remember to be respectful and make sure you are working and not just goofing off. This is a large portion of your grade and you will only have one more block day after this to get all the work done that you will be needed. Also, for those of you that were paying attention on Friday, I quickly made a comment of where the copies you've already created and completed are. They're in the yellow folder which the sub will have access to. If somebody could help the sub find your class's paper-clipped material and get those handed back to each group, that would be amazing. The sub is also instructed to collect all of your hard copies back at the end of class, which hopefully will include a completed action plan and a completed product proposal. Please email me with any questions. I will have my phone with me. Thanks so much, kiddos. Have a good day.